Next is energy of the capacitor. To find out the energy, first we have to find out the work done. According to potential difference, that is work over charge. Then work done, that is equals to potential into charge. Then small work done, that is dW equals to V into dQ. We know that C, that is equals to Q over V. Then V, that becomes Q over C. Put this value in work done, then work done becomes Q over C into dQ. Now integrate on both sides. Integration of work done, integration of Q over C dQ. dW becomes W, C is taken constant, and outside the integration, inside only Q dQ. After integration, 1 by C, integration of Q dQ is Q square by T. Then energy, that is becomes half Q square over C. Then Q equals to CV. This is the first formula of the energy. Then U equals to 1 by 2 C square V square over C. 1 C is cancel out, then energy becomes half CV square. This is the second formula. For third formula, put C equals to Q over V. Then energy becomes half Q over V into V square. 1 V is cancel out, and the formula becomes half Q into V. This is the third formula. These are the three formulas of the energy: half Q square over C, half CV square, and half Q into V. Next is capacitance of spherical capacitor. We consider a sphere of radius r and charge q. Capacitance, that is equals to Q over V, and potential of the spherical surface, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q over R. Put this value in C. C equals to Q over 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught Q over R. Q is cancelled out, then C becomes, this term is shifted to upward, then 4 pi epsilon naught into R. This is the capacitance of the spherical capacitor. Next is the principle of the capacitor. We consider two parallel plates. First is positive charge, inside is negative charge. Here is positive charge, there is a negative charge. If we connect the second plate to the ground, मीनस सैकेंड जी अपने को प्लेट है जो आप अर्थ कर दिए, ग्राउंड कर दिए, तो वो जी फस्ट प्लेट होगी आ वाली, वो कैपेसिटेंस है जी इनक्रीज़ हो जाएगी. दैट इज़ द प्रिंसीपल ऑफ द कैपेसिटर. जो आप एक प्लेट है ग्राउंड करते हैं, ग्राउंड करने फस्ट प्लेट है वो कैपेसिटेंस की हो जाती है, इनक्रीज़ हो जाती है.